Good afternoon. Welcome back to Dan's Trades. Appreciate you checking it out. Hopefully this is helping you. Just going to do a quick recording here before I lose my metrics, as we just recently had close, and I know these go away since the combines in Trade-Evate get cleared out after they close out the daily stats. So we'll take a trade real quick, or not take a trade, but do a quick review here. Sorry if I sound rushed. There's a lot of things going on in my world today, but taking a look at overnight, we started midnight time. That's when you start the clock for everything. We were pretty much above the midnight zero all morning. Asian session, then midnight happened, then we touched it, and then it ran up. London, we've been nothing but up. Since London, we've been going up into the New York Open. So I wasn't going to try and chase price long at all. Figured I'd look for an opportunity for a quick scalp. So I started watching price action. This is a 1 minute chart on the NQ. Nothing going on over here. That was just some side notes. So we'll bring over New York just so you see New York around the same time. 1 minute chart in New York. There we go. So we see it was pretty range bound all day, because when you have a massive move like this and price is already delivering at or near a target that you're going after, like we see daily buy side liquidity up here, which is also relative equal highs back on a higher time frame that I can't scroll back to on the 1 minute, but just know it's back there. But we've had a major move up, so usually what happens after that is consolidation. So I was only interested in quick short scalps, not holding anything for longer term potential. So at the open, we saw a nice move up, almost touched there, and I was looking for some potential retracements back into this fair value gap. So I played exactly that, just a tiny retracement. So I'll throw on the trade executions and the labels there. So we see the move down. Yeah, I was probably chasing price a little bit because I got in right at the close, which could have been a nice little, actually, a long trade, but I didn't, like I said, I didn't want to chase price long, so instead I chased price short. Whatever, I'm getting better every day. I got some new tools at my disposal, so I'm a little in between right now because I'm learning so many new things, which is probably not the best thing to trade. That's why I'm trading the combine right now, just to get qualified again and not live funds. But either way, we were successful. So we see here's where we were short. And had I been a little bit more patient, I could have gotten closer to this target exit for a potential long, but I wasn't long, as I mentioned. But I did scale in 2 contracts on the NQ, one here and then another one here. We see right at that point, and then rode a few minutes. I think it was about 10 minutes today from start to finish, and there's where we covered it, coming back down. So I got in, was pretty much close to even most of the way through here once we had a nice move back down after I added the second contract here, which is close to the close of the 1 minute. And then I came down, almost took profits off here, but let it run a little bit more and then squeeze a little bit more down. So I was looking to take out this swing low when I entered, which seems to be a common theme, but neither here nor there. I should mention, as I typically like to remember, just documenting what I'm doing, not financial advice, entertainment, education only. So yeah, knowing there's not a lot of education happening today, just wanted to fully document for myself and for anybody else that might be watching after the fact. The 150K combine access, scalped a couple in there, covered down here, see the buy 2, which ended up with the result of 523.28 in profits. Again, no working orders. I did take a tiny scalp that you saw there on the ES, which is interesting because they've already cleared out my NQ trade. So it's interesting how fast the platform clears out your metrics, but it is still there in Top Step after the fact, so that is nice. So I did have a quick scalp in ES that you saw there, literally just a couple points to get me over the $500 mark in profit for the day, which is what I'm going for today. So we're up 22.50, a little bit little over 2,000 on the week, so I probably won't even take any trades tomorrow, being Friday, but just want to give you a heads up on that. So quick and dirty, quick and short. Trade safe, be careful. Tomorrow's Friday. No harm in just watching price and taking a day off from executions. As always, tomorrow is not promised, so if we do get tomorrow, I'll be happy. And I will live for today, because we still have quite a few hours left in the day. So take care, and talk to you soon.